morning, students. I am Nishan Sur, your maths teacher. This is our chapter number 13, Exponents and Power. Today we shall learn new topic, Laws of Exponents. Laws of Exponent. Here first one is multiplying powers with the same base. In general, for any non-zero integer a, here law is a power m into a power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. This is our first law. Here m and a are whole numbers. We write here where m and n are whole numbers. We see here examples. A to the power 5 here into a to the power 2. We use this law here because here base is same and the powers are different here. So we get here a to the power 5 plus 2, then a to the power 5 plus 2 means 7. Then our next law is dividing powers with the same base here. In general for any non-zero integer a, the law is a power n divided by a power n is equals to a to the power m minus n here. Here base is same and the powers are different here. So we do here the subtraction of these two powers. Now we see example of this law related to this law. Then 9 to the power 5 divided by 9 to the power 3 here. Here base is 9 and the powers are here 5 and 3. We do here subtraction of these two powers, means 9 to the power 5 minus 3 means 2. We got here number 9 to the power 2. Then after that we see the next law, taking power of a power. Taking power of a power. In general, for any non-zero integer a, here law is a power n and bracket to the power n here. So we get here a to the power m into n. We multiply here the power, these two powers means m and the n here. We see here example 6 to the power 3 and whole to the power 2 here, means 6. We multiply these two powers, means 3 into 2. We get here the 6 to the power 6 here. Then the next law, multiplying powers, with the same exponents. Here law is a to the power n into b to the power n is equals to a into b bracket to the power n here. Here base is different, friends. A and b, these are two bases, and here only one power, means m is power here. We see here the example. Five to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 here. Then 5 and 2. These are two different bases, and the power means only one here 3. So we use this law here. Means we multiply the base here. Means 5 into 2 bracket to the power 3, and 5 2s are 10, means 10 to the power 3 here. This is our answer.